Good evening. This is Vinod. Welcome to Vinod SQL Queries. So today we are going to discuss about a very good question. So let me quickly go to the question first. So what is a differ name resolution? So I am going to explain this particular scenario with an example so that everybody can understand it very easily. So I am using the database name called Vinod underscore Vinu. So let me show something. If you see here, I don't have any tables. Okay, correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm creating a store poser for a table called tbl underscore employees. If you observe one thing, so here I don't have any table. Even though the table is not there, I'm trying to create this particular store poser. Let's see whether it will create or not. Okay, so it is creating. Okay, now what is happening over here, even though the table is not present in a database, how the store browser can able to create it? Okay, so I'll explain you in a brief way so that it will be very easy to explanation. So whenever we are creating a store browser inside a system, a process will going on. That process name we can call it as a physical query processing. Okay, so in this we have a 4 steps. So as of now I'll be explaining 2 steps. So that is parsing and binding. Okay, so let me explain what is parsing first. Okay, whenever I'm creating a store browser, what will happen means it will try to execute the first step, that is parsing. So in the parsing, what will happen means it will check whether is there in any syntax error or not. So in the sense whether whatever you have written the code, SQL code, in that code is there any particular syntax error or not, it will check in this particular step, that is called as parsing. Okay, so if you see in this particular query, there won't be any syntaxes, correct? So that is the reason it can able to create it. Okay, so when binding will happen? Okay, so whenever I'm executing this particular store browser, if you see, it is it is throwing one error, that is invalid object name, correct? So now what is happening over here in the second step, it will check whether the object is there or not, either it is a table or a view. Okay, it will check whether that particular object is exist in your database or not. Okay, like whenever we are creating a store browser, only the first step will happen. Okay, nothing but it will check whether the syntax error is there or not. So there won't be any syntaxes, so that is the reason we can able to create the store browser. So this is known as a differ name resolution. Okay, so the second step only will happen in the whenever we are executing a store browser, not whenever we are creating a store browser. Okay, like see, this particular different name resolution will be applicable only for a store browser, not for any other SQL objects. So whenever the interviewer will ask the question like what is the difference between a store browser and a function, definitely you should tell this particular scenario. So in a function, what will happen means whenever we are creating a function, even though for a table which is not present in your particular database, so in the function, these 2 steps will execute at a time. Nothing but it will check the syntax error as well as whether the object is there or not, it will check. Okay, both the condition it will check. So that is the reason. So we cannot this particular different name solution is not like different name resolution is not applicable in our function. Okay, like whenever the interview will ask this particular difference between these particular 2 things, so you should expose this particular question like different name resolution is applicable for store browser, not applicable for your function, so that it will be added advantage particular thing, right? So you can explain easily so that it will be added advantage to you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So if you want more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.